Friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this index guide, and this is a very simple part, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. Here I have created a new file, and I will switch to the part design workbench, and I will create a body and then click on create a sketch, and I will select this top plane to create my base profile. So here first thing which we will do is to create a construction circle and give it a diameter of 2 inch, and never forget to change your unit to the inches. You can do it by going to the edit, then preferences, and activate here US customary inch pound. Now we will select this and make it construction, and here we will draw a horizontal line, and we will use the symmetricity to symmetric this line with this axis, and we will deactivate it and select horizontal dimension, and we will add it 2 inch. And now I will draw these two vertical lines. Select line tool and draw approximate vertical line, and here we will create this 3-point arc here. So go here and select a 3-point arc and create an arc, and add the coincidence relation with this arc center to the axis, and select the radius and provide the radius of 0.74, and we will move this arc, and we will add the dimension. Select this point and this point and add a vertical and give 1.75, and move this dimension. We will move it approximate distance, and now we will create these two arc. So we will select a 3-point arc and create one arc here and create one arc here, and now I will select this arc center with my origin and say it merge. Similarly select this and say it merge, and we will constrain it with a radius. So we will provide the radius of a 1.5 inch, and now I will select this and this radius and made it equal. Now we will close our profile by connecting the arc at 4 locations. So we will select the arc and create one arc by joining these 2 points, and we will select this and add a tangent. Select this and add a tangent, and we will select radius and give it radius of 0.5, and we will close this with the help of a 3-point arc. Create a 3-point arc, select this and add a tangent. Select this and add a tangent, And now we will constrain this line. So we will select this origin point with this and add a vertical dimension of 1.75 inch, and here we will select this point and add a horizontal relation, and select 3-point arc and create an arc and add the tangency here and here. Now we will define this radius, which is of 2 inch, and here we will connect this with the arc. Select a 3-point arc and add a tangency and add a tangency, and we will select this arc and add a equal relation. So here is our sketch is fully constrained. We will close it. Press 0 for isometric, go to the model tab, select the sketch, click on extrude and add the extrusion of a 0.44 inch. Click on OK. And now we will select this bottom face and click on the sketch. Switch to the isometric and click on the project geometry and project this edge. And here we will create a rectangle. Select this and add a coincidence, and this is of 0.38, so we will select it and add a vertical dimension of 0.38. Click on close, press 0 for isometric, and we will select the sketch, click on extrude and select reverse and add a dimension of 3 inch. Click on OK. Now this and this seems to be a separate solid, so we will refine the shape. Set refine is true. Now we will add a fillet of 1 inch, so we will select this edge and this edge by pressing the control key and add a fillet, and here we will add the inch symbol, and here we want to give the radius of 1 inch, so we will give here 0.999 inch. And now we will create this hole. So for this we will select this top face and click on the sketch and click on the project geometry, and here we will create a circle and which is of a 2 inch. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut. From here say it through all. Now we will create this hole, so we will select the face and click on the sketch, and from here we will select project geometry and we will create a circle. Select the diameter and provide it 0.594 inch. Click on OK, click on close, click on cut, say it through all, and now we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and select the slot tool and create a slot, and here press Ctrl Z, so that conflict get removed, but we have 3 degrees of freedom. So we will select this and provide the dimension 0.66 inch. So you can see that the degree of freedom reduced to 2. Now I will made it vertical, and we have only 1 degree of freedom and provide it 1 inch. let's move the dimension, close it, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all. So this is the very simple tutorial designed for the beginner user of a FreeCAD. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.